Undergraduate research isn't just lab work. Students can explore lab, clinical, field, or pedagogical research. In this presentation, we'll look at examples of each, real projects conducted and presented by NC State students. Let's start with lab research, which often takes place in a controlled environment to study samples or run experiments. This study examined how different fecal preservation methods affected the gut microbiome of captive southern white rhinos. The team tested freezing, ethanol, and specialized preservation tubes to see which method produced the most reliable data for microbiome analysis. As you can see, Christina's poster clearly shows the study objectives, the three preservation methods, and the results of the gut microbiome analysis. This work not only strengthened lab techniques, but also informed how future field sampling could be done anywhere in the world. Next is clinical research, a scientific investigation that involves gaining insights into health, disease, and medical interventions. Museum medicine interns gain clinical experience through the window on animal health at the Museum of Natural Sciences. In this project, they treated a rattlesnake lesion using a surgically implanted osmotic pump to safely deliver antibiotics, allowing effective treatment without handling the venomous snake directly. Their research poster shows the snake before and after treatment, along with a graph of drug concentration in blood over time. This visual illustrates how clinical research can measure and document real-time recovery outcomes while keeping both the animal and researchers safe. Field research takes place in natural environments and often involves collecting data from animals in the wild. During a wildlife management and conservation study abroad in South Africa, students worked alongside veterinarians to perform health assessments on tranquilized rhinos. They collected temperature, pulse, respiration, and blood samples, analyzing them in real time using a handheld blood analyzer called ISAT. The poster displays the data collected in the field and highlights the hands-on experience students had with the animals, demonstrating field research in action. Students also observed how immobilization drugs can influence oxygenation levels, underscoring the need to monitor respiration and oxygen saturation carefully during handling. Pedagogical research is research that is survey-based. It involves human participants who are being surveyed, and it requires institutional review board approval before it begins. The study examined how wearing lab coats in an undergraduate anatomy course influenced student performance and career motivation, using pre- and post-semester surveys. The poster shows that students wearing lab coats achieved higher grades and were more career motivated to pursue veterinary medicine or graduate school than those who did not wear the lab coats. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the diverse ways NC State pre-vet students engage in undergraduate research. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to stay updated on more student research projects and educational content.